guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Jessica J, and on this channel we talk a lot about home decor, everything home related, and a little bit of lifestyle. So if that's your kind of thing, I would love it if you subscribed, and don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. My name over there is MyJessicaJ, or you can click the link down below. So today we are going shopping at our favorite place, you guys. You already know what it is. If you read the title, it's HomeGoods, and this HomeGoods shopping trip does not disappoint. They have dupes of our favorite stores like CB2, Crate and Barrel, West Elm, and they have a lot of luxury items. So I'm excited for you guys to see this one. So if you guys want to go shopping with me, then keep watching. And of course, we're gonna do a reaction style video because I want to be there with you guys. All right, HomeGoods, and I'm actually going to be visiting two different HomeGoods with this shopping trip. If you have two next to each other, hit up both in one day. I'm actually really surprised to see their holiday section so stocked, at least the pumpkins and stuff. Okay, one area I sleep on sometimes, and that's where their flower stems and their dried botanicals, all that's at. Sometimes they have really, really good stuff. And if you don't want to worry about getting, real florals and all that, check out this section. And sometimes you just need to swap out a couple of, things in there. Sometimes you just need to swap out a couple of the florals or stems, and you have like a really nice bouquet that you can use during the holidays. I thought this was actually really nice. Maple leaf stem set here, $16.99 too. I think Pottery Barn, they want, I think it's like $50, $60, $70. So HomeGoods has you covered. And Christmas, look at that. I feel like give it a couple more weeks and Christmas is gonna take over HomeGoods. Watch. They're gonna take over the whole entire store, and then we're gonna get sick of it after so long. No, I'm actually ready for Christmas shopping now. I was kind of hesitant at first. I'm like, we haven't even made it to Halloween yet, but I'm ready. I'm getting excited to decorate for Christmas. I always check out the bulbs there, but they don't have any shatterproof bulbs. I have to have shatterproof. I wish I could do these, you guys, because they're priced so well and they look beautiful. So if you can do glass ornaments in your house, definitely check out HomeGoods. I'm waiting on Amazon to deliver my Nespresso pod, so black tea it is. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what I liked. I like this one right here. It is glittery and the glitter does come off, so I might have to spray it down if I do decide to get that. Yeah, I think I might get that one. Okay, you guys, we have to have a discussion. We gotta have a discussion. Pause. This is a boucle placemat. Okay, I feel like we have to draw the line somewhere. I love boucle, and I'm sure a lot of you guys love it too, or you may not, I don't know. But I just feel like we're kind of going boucle crazy now. I mean, placemats, you guys have to let me know what you think down below. You guys know this is a CB2 dupe. I always point it out, but I think the one at CB2 is made of onyx. This one is marble, but it's still gorgeous. And I like looking at HomeGoods for their decorative items because, decorative items, you get it, it's out one day, it's gone and hidden away the next. So I like to keep those kind of items affordable or more affordable. Unless it's something you really, really, really want. But I like to keep most of my decorative pieces affordable. I thought this fluted vase was really nice. It's actually made of wood. So if you have that modern organic or boho type of aesthetic, that will look so nice if you like black accents in your house. Are you guys still into the bust trend? It's a trend right now for sure, but It does bring in that vintage feel in your home, and you can definitely get those vintage. It's a trend, but it's definitely going to be something that's always going to be a thing. But are you guys still into the bust? You guys let me know down below. Okay, that fluted decorative box is absolutely gorgeous. HomeGoods has a lot of marble pieces. If you're in need of like a marble tray or like a cutting board, check out HomeGoods. They usually have those, and they're priced really well too. Love that book. I actually have that one. Okay, let's pause for just a second. Okay, so this throw is identical, almost identical to the one from West Elm and CB2. At first glance, it looks pretty nice, but if you get a little closer to it and in person, and once you feel it, it does feel cheap. So let me show you guys something really quick. This one's actually priced at $39.99, so $40. If you're willing to spend an extra $20, it's on sale right now at West Elm. It's originally priced at $100. It's on sale right now for $60. So hopefully it's still on sale by the time this video goes live. So if you like this blanket, just spend the extra $20 and get a way better quality throw. Okay, the marble top sideboard. What? I'm gonna show you guys another one in a second, and maybe have a lot of marble. Even this coffee table right here, $250. Look at that. This one right here, it's just like the one from CB2, very similar to it. And I know this wood tone might not be everyone's thing, but it's made of real wood, and you can just paint that or stain it to match your aesthetic. But if you're in need of a sideboard, a good quality one made of real wood, I would definitely check this one out right here. I would take down that style number, call your HomeGoods to see if they have it, because it is gorgeous. And that would be really nice in an entryway or near your dining room table, and you can store your bar items in there or your dishes or whatnot. But that is gorgeous with the marble top. And check out the price. You're not going to beat that price anywhere. Another CB2 and Crate and Barrel dupe. But you guys, this one's only $300. So if you need a good swivel boucle chair, take down that style number and call your HomeGoods. Love this book. I actually don't own it, and the price that you guys see here is the same price that Target is selling it for. If you guys are interested in this book, just order it off of the Target website. It's more of an aesthetic. If you guys love the pictures, which I absolutely love the pictures, so if you want to leave that open on a coffee table, a sideboard, but there's not much to read in the book, but it is beautiful. A green marble tray. It's priced so well too. Okay, what did you guys think of everything you saw and this whole shopping trip? I mean, they came through, I feel like, with this shopping trip. I'm glad I'm starting to see new pieces, because I feel like they were just kind of bringing out the same old pieces that we've seen 1,000 times before, but they're stepping their game up. So now for the haul, I want to show you guys what I got, because I actually did get a couple of things. I'm trying to be careful with the pieces I'm picking up, because I can go crazy, and I don't need a whole lot of mess. Okay, so of course, the first thing that I got is this decorative bowl. It's made of marble and it is stunning. I love the veining. I was actually thinking about getting this one from West Elm, because West Elm it's pretty much identical. I'm almost convinced that they use the same manufacturer, because it's exactly like this. This one was $29.99, so it's compared to $50. So the one from West Elm is priced, I believe it's $40, but it's on sale right now for $28. So $1 cheaper than what I paid at HomeGoods. So if you guys like this, you don't have to go to HomeGoods and search for it. Just order the one off of the West Elm website, because right now it's on sale. for $1 cheaper than what I paid. So I love using these on the coffee table. You can hide. I can probably fit my Fire Stick remote in this thing, but I love hiding all kinds of like knickknacks, loose change, receipts. I use these everywhere. You can use this on the shelf in the restroom. You can use this in your bedroom, your living room, your entryway. I mean, go ahead and pick it up because it's totally worth it right now. Being on sale on the West Elm website. I don't know how long it's gonna be on sale, and hopefully it still is by the time I post this video. So I did end up getting the tray as well. I think the marbles pretty much match. Yeah, it looks almost identical. I feel like the tray has more of a warmer tone to it, but it has that burgundy and maybe even a little bit of a brown veining in it. I think I'm gonna put this in my kitchen and use it for my soap and my brush dish and brush on here. Again, you can use this in your restroom as well. You can use this as a catch-all tray for your entryway and your bedroom. The list goes on and on. I love getting pieces that's very versatile. You can use it really anywhere because I tend to move my pieces around the house. So those are the pieces I picked up from HomeGoods. Let me know down below if you're going to run to your HomeGoods to see if they have any of those items that I showed during the video. And also, if you guys haven't watched my latest video, which is the collab with Brenda and Hannah, please watch that video and enter the giveaway. We're announcing the giveaway on Friday, October 22nd. And I want all you guys to enter the giveaway and have a chance to win. We are giving away a $150 gift card to any store of your choice. So don't forget to watch that video after you guys are done watching this one. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.